nth root 6 plus nth root 9 equal to nth root 4. Find the value of n. Solution. Given problem, nth root 6 plus nth root 9 equal to nth root 4. Both sides divide by nth root 4. Nth root 6 by nth root 4. Nth root 9 by nth root 4 equal to nth root 4 by nth root 4. Here it cancel one more. Nth root a by nth root b equal to, here root same exponents, nth root whole power a by b. Same this property applied here. Nth root 6 by 4, nth root 9 by 4 equal 1. 2 3 ja 2 2 ja. Nth root 3 by 2 plus nth root 9 equal to 3 square, 4 equal 2 square equal to 1. Nth root 3 by 2, nth root 3 by 2 whole square equal to 1. Nth root a power m equal to nth root a either power whole power m. Right, can as nth root a power m equal to nth root a whole power m. This formula applied here. Nth root 3 by 2 plus nth root 3 by 2 square whole square equal to 1. Let nth root 3 by 2 equal to y. So substitute y plus y square equal to 1. 1 left side plus y is minus 1 equal to 0. Here y equal to formula, roots formula, minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. The a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 1. So y equal to minus b 1 plus or minus root b square 1 square 4a c equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1. Minus 1 plus or minus root 1 square 1 minus into minus plus 4 1 ja 4 by 2. Minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Y greater than 0. So y equal minus 1. Only positive take minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Y equal to nth root 3 by 2. So nth root 3 by 2 equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. 3 by 2. Nth root a equal to a power 1 by n. So this is nth root a equal to a power 1 by n. Minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Both side log apply. Log 3 by 2 whole power 1 by n equal to log minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Log x power n equal to n log x. So this is log x power n and 1 by n log 3 by 2 equal to log minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. So this is just cross multiplication n here n log 3 by 2 equal to n log minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Here log 3 by 2 by log minus 1 plus root 5 by 2 equal to n. Log m by log n equal to log m base n. Same base. Log m by log n equal to log mn. So n equal to log m base n minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. This is n value.